friends, this is Canadian fried rice and very simple recipe and very delicious recipe. So this is my request, Canadian people and all country people, please watch this video, watch this video, how can I make this and very tasty and quick recipe. So let's see how can I make this. Hello friends, I am Untitled Chapter. Welcome my kitchen. So today's our recipe is Canadian fried rice. This Canadian fried rice is very unique recipe. This is the totally specially making by me. So please this is my request. Please Canadian people, please this recipe is full watch and you will try at your home. And all people, please all request, please watch this fried rice and please try at your home. So let's see what is the ingredients. This is the very simple ingredients. So ingredients are needed: boiled rice, 1 cup boiled rice. Then after needed, half onion chopped. Then after needed, garlic paste. Then after needed, 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Then after needed, green peas. Then after needed, half red bell pepper chopped. Then after needed, basil leaf chopped, cube number basil leaf chopped. Then after needed, cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Then after needed, 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Salt to taste. Then after needed, 2 number egg beaten. Already we have beaten this egg. Then after needed, red chili sauce. Then after needed, black pepper powder. This is the ingredients of Canadian fried rice. So let's see the next step. See friends, I take a kadai and add 1 tablespoon refined oil. Then after added onion chopped. Then after added garlic paste and stir well properly for few seconds. This onion and garlic little bit fry and then after added red bell pepper and then after added beaten egg and fry well properly. Depends this egg totally dry and now totally make it dry and capsicum oil, capsicum, this red bell pepper fry well properly. Then now added 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Then after added 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Then after added 1 tablespoon cumin powder and mixed well properly. Then after added salt to taste and now mix well properly. This is the totally dry, and this is the most delicious. This egg, this fried rice, and now see friends, added rice and mix well properly. See friends, this rice mixed well properly, and now added red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, and now mixed well properly. Added 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, and now mixed well properly. Added chopped basil leaves, chopped basil leaves. Then after added green peas, and now mixed well properly. Light basil leaves smelled, so please try at your home. And this Canadian fried rice is now ready for serve. Friends, our Canadian fried rice is now ready. So this fried rice is not spicy, very simple recipe, and very simple and delicious and quick recipe. So please Canadian people, please try at your home, and please watch this video, and every country people, please watch this video, and please try at your home this recipe. If you like this my video, then please keep subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.